Hey, this is Nick Summers for Engadget looking at Drone Interactive, an amusement park attraction that blends drone flight and video games. So as you can see, you are flying a real quadcopter inside this kind of netted play space. There's a camera on the drone, and that delivers a real-time video feed through to a pair of virtual reality goggles. It's very similar to what you'd get in a professional drone race. However, this company is also adding video game elements, so it's kind of like AR really, but through a VR headset. As I was flying, I was able to see some wasp-like monsters, and using a traditional video game controller, in this instance a Xbox 360 pad, I was able to shoot them down and also control the drone using just the left and right analog stick. The idea is that you destroy as many of these monsters as possible in the time limit and hopefully try and rack up a new high score. I found it to be quite finicky, and I think that's down to two reasons. One is the actual size of the play space. It's quite small here at CES, as you might imagine, inside a much larger arcade or an amusement park warehouse, they'd be able to do something much larger and more sophisticated. But also the setup here, there's a kind of auto adjust system to make sure that you're not going to crash into any of the walls. And at times I kind of felt like I was fighting it a little bit. But even so, it's a really interesting concept in order to make drone flight feel more accessible and also more exciting for people who have got maybe a little bit bored of just flying a small quadcopter in their garden. For more on Drone Interactive, check out Engadget.com and keep watching youtube.com/Engadget.